Hey, you beautiful learners. Today we are going to learn 100 plus hotel vocabulary words. So stay with me till the end. As we enter the property, we move along a beautiful avenue drive. It means a wide road lined with trees. As we move ahead, you can see manicured lawns, neatly cut grass with colorful flower beds. Have a look at these topiary trees. These are plants trimmed into artistic shapes. On the right side, you will notice the signage. Signage means boards that guide us to different places. These are called built-in planters, which are fixed permanently into the wall. This is a parking area, a space where vehicles are parked, and here is a speed bumper. It is also called a speed breaker. It's basically a raised strip on the road that forces vehicles to slow down for safety purpose. So you have to take a precautionary step. Here we see a fountain, also called a water feature, used for decoration. Another one has vertical water jets. In simple words, water shoots straight up. The same we have on the right side. What a beautiful, captivating and mesmerizing view. I hope you can also spot a mobile tower, a tall structure for network signals. This is what we call a wall cascade fountain. It means water flows smoothly over a wall like a sheet. Here it says, mind your step, which means to be careful while walking. We spot an X-ray baggage scanner, a machine that checks bags without opening them. Now let me show you the corridor. So this is a corridor. A corridor is a long passage that connects different areas. As we step inside, this is the lobby, the main entrance area where guests arrive and wait. This is what we call the reception desk, where guests check in and get information. We have so many sofas and armchairs for relaxation. Armchairs are comfortable chairs with side supports. Just next to it, we have a newspaper rack, a stand used to display a newspaper. This is a lounge area, a comfortable seating space. Here is a balustrade, a decorative railing, and now we are heading down to the main restaurant to have lunch. This is a wooden easel used to hold signs and menus. This is a console table, a narrow table placed against the wall. This is our restaurant and we are heading towards it. I have the menu card, which means a list of food and drinks available at the restaurant. On the table, you can see tableware. It means items like forks, knives, spoons, plates, glasses, salt and pepper shakers. This is a tray stand, a folding stand used by servers. This is basically a 10-seater table, also known as 10 covers in hotel terms. Here is a beautiful buffet setup at the start of the line, and you can see stacks of plates and bowls. Especially the black round containers with lids are called chafing dishes. This is the signage with pictograms. Pictogram means visual symbols. We have a lounge bar, a place where people sit, relax, and enjoy drinks. This is basically called a patio umbrella, a large outdoor umbrella that provides shade. We have signs for restroom, Here is a portrait. Portrait means paintings or photographs of people. Here we see an automatic sliding door which opens and closes by itself using sensors. Basically, this is the business area, and business area means a space used specifically for meetings. It's such a beautiful, calm, and relaxed corner. I notice an iron horse statue, a decorative sculpture. Here it's written fire exit. So fire exit means a door used for emergency escape. This hotel has a shopping arcade, a covered walkway with shops on both sides. So we see Indian authenticity, which is very colorful. If you look at this shop, there are small marble souvenirs, elephants, horses, jewelry that you can take for your family on your way back. And in this shop, we also see replicas of the Taj Mahal. These are mannequins. We have the stanchions. So stanchions means post with ropes. I found a vintage style bakery designed in an old fashioned style. Now I'll push the door open. To push means to apply force to move something forward. And as we step inside, we see colorful gifts packs. You can come and take one. I also spotted a few games like foosball, hockey, and billiards. So see, here they are. So billiards is a table game played with balls and cues. Wow, such scrumptious cakes. Scrumptious means tasty. Now it's time to head back home, which means to leave and go home. If you like this video at any point of time, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye and take care. See you in the next video. Until then, take rest.